As a major addition to the flagship scheme, Ayushman Bharat Pradhan Mantri Arogya Yojana, Prime Minister Narendra Modi has launched expansion of the health coverage to all senior citizens aged 70 years and above. This will help provide health coverage to all senior citizens regardless of their income. So Ayushman Bharat for 70 plus is now operational. 58% of women will be the key beneficiaries of this, and the expansion is expected to add about 2 crore families and 3 crore individuals to the scheme. PM Modi said that the poor earlier had no option but to bear pain and difficulties in poor health conditions as they had no money for medical treatment. Modi said Ayushman Bharat scheme was born out of empathy and care for the poor. Mr. Modi also said that he was very satisfied that the scheme is now being expanded today and that he had given a guarantee during the elections to expand it to everyone above 70 years of age. Modi said his aim is that every senior is free of worries and he can get the new Ayushman card to avail free treatment. If you want to reap the benefits of the world's largest health insurance scheme, you need to register for the scheme on the portal of Ayushman Bharat. The facility of face authentication is available on the portal, which will have a designated link for senior citizens. Thus, Mr. Modi also made a sharp political point, saying he would apologize to those above 70 years of age in West Bengal and Delhi, as he would not be able to help them because the governments in these two states have not joined with the scheme out of politics. Mr. Modi said that these governments are not being fair to their people, and the PM said he was pained by this fact. The governments of West Bengal as well as Delhi have refused to join the Ayushman Bharat Yojana for many years now, not willing to pay the 40% contribution which is to be given by the state government in this particular scheme, while 60% is paid by the center. These two states have also claimed that they are running their own health schemes in their states for their people, but at the end of the day, the Prime Minister is saying that people of West Bengal and Delhi are being deprived of the benefits of the central Ayushman Bharat scheme, and this, he said, greatly pains him. Well, if you are 70 years or older, as per your Aadhaar card, you are eligible to now apply for the Modi government's flagship health insurance scheme, the Ayushman Bharat Yojana. The Union Cabinet had earlier announced the extension of this scheme to include individuals aged 70 years or older, regardless of their income. The move will benefit women significantly, as the government data shows that more than half of the individuals aged 70 and older are women, and 54% of them are widows. The government data shows that nearly 7 crore people have already availed the benefits of this scheme, which has reduced their out-of-pocket expenditure by around rupees 1 lakh crore. The objective behind the inclusion of senior citizens is based on the high probability of the 70 plus age group people going to the hospital than the rest of the population. Also, this is the age group where the benefits of private health insurance are not available or are available at very high premiums. Private insurance is also difficult to obtain for such old age people. Centre will work towards adding more packages that exclusively tend to geriatric care. Launched in 2018, Ayushman Bharat is touted as a landmark health initiative designated to provide universal health coverage, particularly for rural and vulnerable populations. Via this scheme, the central government aims to address health needs comprehensively across the primary, secondary and tertiary levels. How to apply for the registration of this scheme? Very important. Well, if you want to reap the benefits of the Ayushman Bharat scheme, you need to register for the scheme on the portal of Ayushman Bharat. The facility of face authentication is available on the portal, which will have a designated link for senior citizens. Once eKYC is done, the card will be operational for use immediately. Also, the government has decided that those already having an Ayushman card will need to reapply for a new card and complete their eKYC again. Those having private insurance and ESIC beneficiaries can also apply for the Ayushman Bharat scheme. The government is kick-starting an awareness campaign on all media platforms, along with pushing field level workers and other community level participation for creating awareness. The centre will continue to fund its share of the scheme, which stands at 60%. Senior citizens within families already covered by the Ayushman Bharat Yojana will receive an additional top-up cover of up to rupees 5 lakh per year. This means that this top-up will be for them and they will not have to share it with other family members under the age of 70.